Hey, what's up y'all? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Definitely made it to Texas. As you can see, the sun is out. Perfect weather. It's like high 60s right now with a low of only like low 40s for the night. You know, I think it's actually getting to the 70s. So it's really nice out here. The drive out here in Texas was great. We ran into some traffic like always. You can't avoid traffic. But it was a great experience. I had the new tires on, and so I'll definitely be doing another miles per gallon update based off of the new tires. Also with the trip back. But the whole reason I'm making this video is about the AEV PROCAL. When you upgrade your tires, your computer, your speedometer, your odometer is all going to read off, all right, because the revolutions per minute of the tire is actually going to be less than the stock smaller tires. All right, so what that means is that your speedometer is going to show slower than what you're actually going. The same as if you downgrade your tire size. Say if you throw on smaller tires, it'll actually show faster. But in my case, and like most other cases, when you upgrade your tires to bigger tires, your speedometer is going to show slow. Like mine shows 70. I'm actually going 73, sometimes 74, because of the revolutions per minute. It actually rolls more than one revolution of the stock smaller tire. Okay, so reason why I got the AEV PROCAL is to actually go ahead and calibrate my truck. Now, we all know the 2018s are a little more stingy, and so it actually came with a, I gotta dig into the box real quick. Alright, so the kit came with a supplement. Within the supplement gives you instructions of how to install the supplement, the adapter. Alright, so it's just an OBD2 port to an OBD2 port. Alright, and then actually something you're gonna have to actually install within your OBD. So AEV has a good video on how to install that. I'll go ahead and let AEV show y'all how to do that. Pretty much the PROCAL itself. Alright, it's just something you plug into, and they have these small, I think they call them DIPs. Anyways, hopefully y'all can see those. There's a total of 9, and essentially whether you're trying to, and I'll go ahead and show you this right now, and it actually does a lot. You can adjust for your tire size, which is why I bought it. Axle ratio, just in the future if I upgrade my gears, I'll be able to also calibrate the truck for that. Options such as fogs with high off, or if you want to have your fog lights automatically turn on. Once you turn on your highs, it'll do that. I just want to calibrate my speedometer because I believe it actually does get the truck back into the same habits as it was with the stock platform. All right, and so when I say that, you know, it's it shifts on time due to the fact that it knows which speed it's going. Probably the RPMs are a little better, you know, the way they're supposed to operate, but my speedometer is going to show accurate, and I have to dial it in. My speedometer is going to show accurate, my odometer is going to show accurate, although my odometer actually showing less miles than what I'm actually driving if I continue to drive like that. But I don't care about that. As long as my speedometer is good, then I'm good. All right, y'all. So time to calibrate. But first, we're gonna have to mate it to the truck. So I went ahead, did all the connections, went off of the video, threw on the adapter, and so now we are needing to mate it to my truck. So it says first set the dip switches as shown, and it's going to be 1 through 8 down. 9 is the only one that is going to be up, as you can see there. Turn the key to the run position. There's the run position. Brake is off. Insert the PROCAL into the vehicle's OBD port. The brake, oh, camera's sliding. The brake light will flash fast, and then hold the brake pedal down for 5 seconds. When the module is paired, the horn will honk 3 times quickly. If the module is already paired to this vehicle, the horn immediately will honk 3 times quickly. Once the module is paired, it cannot be used to calibrate vehicle settings. I'm sorry, once the vehicle is paired, it can be used to calibrate vehicle settings. And then there's a reset function that goes back to vehicle's default settings, but we won't be doing that. Okay, so yeah, low tire pressure. Yeah, going down. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Brake light is flashing. Hold the brake down for 5 seconds, and it should honk 3 times. Boom. Take it out, and that is it. All right. So next, what I'm going to end up doing, and I'll hold this up so that y'all can actually see me while I'm doing this. All right, so truck is still in the run position. Next, what I want to do is go ahead and calibrate for tire size. All right, and so it says, step 1, set DIP switches 1 to 3 as shown. So for 26 to 39 inch tires, which is the majority of us, unless you're running 40s, 1 and 2 are down. The third one is up. So let me go ahead and do that real quick with my big old multi-tool in one hand. All right, 1 and 3 is up. 2, so you're gonna have to actually measure to the nearest 1/4 inch your tires. All right, so my front are at 33 and the rear are 33 1/4. Which is very surprising because they're 35 by 12.5 by 18. I thought they'd be around 34, but it comes out to 33 1/4 due to the 60 psi I'm running up in the front and 45 I'm running in the rear, or 50 when they're warm. So 3, using the value from the measurements, you're gonna have to go through and choose which one is yours. So mine is going to be 33. So it's going to be 4 up, 5 down, 6 down, 7 up. Very simple. Let's go ahead and do that right now. 4 is up. There it is. 5 and 6 down, 7 up. Boom. Step 4, using the B value. So this is going off of the 1/4 inch. As you can see right there, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. So it's 1/4 inch, so I'm going to go ahead and do 8 down, 9 up. 8 down, 9 up. That's it. So next step, which is the instructions, what they're telling you right there, set the DIP switches, turn it into the run position. Again, if you have push button start, push the start button twice without your foot on the brake. This will put it in run position. Step 3, insert the PROCAL into your adapter. 4, it'll honk twice when the program's been successful. 5, turn the key to the off position, then remove from the OBD2 adapter, and then store it wherever you want. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. It's in the run. It is ready to go. And so let's make this happen with one hand. Bear with me. There it is. Boom. There's a bunch of weird stuff happening up on my computer. Alright, so now we're going to have to turn the key to the off position and then remove. There it is. Very simple. I'm interested to see if my odometer, or my speedometer specifically, will work properly. Now, you know, if I'm driving 73, my speedometer will tell me I'm driving 73. Now I'm going to actually have to pretty much sharpshoot and really dial in the size of the tires to accurately measure out and make sure that my speedometer matches up with the GPS speed. All right, because your GPS speed is accurate for the most part, and you can actually use a couple apps to make sure you're at the right speed that you think you're at. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I may have to, you know, add a little more so that it's dead on. When I say add a little more, maybe, you know, bump it up from 33 1/4 to 33 3/4, you know, just to make sure that it's good to go. All right, and I'm sure a lot of people have had this issues, but this is why we measure it out, and it should be accurate based off of the measurements of the tires based on the length. Let me know if y'all used this before. Also, let me know who's from San Antonio. I'm here, you know, visiting family. I'm going to go up to a little more Central Texas next week to visit the Wise family. But yeah, let me know comments below. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, which will be very soon. Ciao.
Perfect.